Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. First half, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Golden Arrows 0. Kaizer Chiefs, you could see ukuthi they have more ball position. I think bayi-controller ngempela game, but-ke laphana phambili abekho direct. Sibonile uSilva quite a number of times, not just uSilva nje kuphela, ashaya from a distance because i-Golden Arrows bengabavumeli at times ukuthi bangene laphana 18. But-ke igoli libuye ku-Eden McCarthy, debatable ukuthi offside noma akusiyo offside. Sibonile ukuthi beka offside when the ball was played, but-ke lisave goalkeeper lapha noma lithinta goalkeeper then wakwazi ukuliqedelela umfana. But asingene kuma-moments of the game, asiqale kuyo-Eden McCarthy. Zimbone kawu-2 lapha ebhokisini, khona la bengithi mina uzoshaya libamba khona ibhola, ngabe ushaya 2 goals, bengithi uzoshaya wafuna ukucrossa, wrong decision, but you could see ukuthi uyazama ukuba advance. Ngikhulumile ku-preview video ngasho ukuthi angimthembi in terms of going forward, but-ke ulethe ibalance, and then kune-tackle ayishayile laphana versus ulona one of the most dangerous players ku-Betway Premiership uNdlovu, wakwazi ukumblokha laphana ukumvala. So I mean, good performance so far from yena bafethu Eden McCarthy. But umuntu engimpress ngaye, engimcriticize njalo uPule Modi, what a work rate, what a good work rate laphana first half. You could see udirect, taking players on, akwazi ukucrossa, ushaya ama-crosser awu-2, I think awu-2 for 18, but-ke leyo kuqala akakwazanga ukuthi amthole laphana uSilva ebhokisini. Khona la akhathile waliphasa ibhola phansi lagcine selikule Lebohang Maboy ibhola lakhona li-deflected to be khona, but-ke imove iqala uPule Modi. So but-ke khona i-moment kaPule Modi udelay i-shot, ibhola ufuna ukulicontrola too much, bengithi mina uzovela libamba shaye same time. Mawudlala phambili bafethu kumele ube quick, ube direct, uvele ulibambe ibhola ujike ushaye, but uhlulekile ukwenza lokho uPule Modi. But otherwise i-game yakhe i-good, so far so good laphana first half. You could see ama-moments are-good, even uyakwazi uku-tracker back, awina amabhola khona la uwina ibhola noma libe diverted to i-corner because of i-defense yakhe laphana. Ngibonile i-comment from omunye umfowethu laphana asho ukuthi Pule Modi udlala i-wing back. Yeah, I can see ukuthi okay ukhona phambili uyakwazi uku-assista even laphana emuva. But there was another moment, there's something that i-Chiefs elekayo, yabo, ileka ukuba quick in transition. Khona la i-Golden Arrows be-expose, uShabalala uphethe ibhola kumele ali-release fast, but sofuna ukulibamba li-trap abheke, kanti kumele alibamba phasi immediately, then i-create ama-opportunity because of angazi ukuthi bokuwubani ophambi kwakho uSilva noma uLilepo bekane-chance ukuthi abhekane nokeeper noma abe ne-chance because of ama-defender bewalele lapha, but bayahluleka ukuba quick. But-ke great performance so far from i-team. Sibonile i-good run from uModi le enye, khona balibhlokha laphana and balibhlokha, but ubani elinye iplayer, khona elinye iplayer man uKhumalo eyinkinga lo Khumalo ama-dreads we-Golden Arrows ngoba uyothole i-shot laphana ukushaya from esayidini, kuzovela lana if niyaqhubeka nibukela i-video. Ukwazile ukushaya i-shot laphana from a tight angle, i-shot belingaba dangerous, but it didn't cause any dangers for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Amanye ama-moments njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uSilva ushaye from a distance kawu-2, ngifisa ngathi angahlala more ebhokisini babone ukuthi bangamthola, but-ke amabhola kumele awalande kude because of kunzima for yena uSilva as i-player or ukuthi bamsupply, cause uThabiso Munyane siyambona crosser, uLilepo siyambona crosser, but amabhola amaningi awafiki phakathi in-18 area ngoba bayawabhlokha amaningi, awafiki laphana kuSilva, abakwazi ukumthola ebhokisini. Maybe kumele beze ne-style esi-different, but I'm impressed ngoLilepo, so far so good. Uyabona ukuthi bamtshela ukuthi Lilepo dlala for i-team, ungadlali wedwa nje, mawubamba ibhola ungacabangi ipali, phasa, dlala nama-players wakho and udlala nawo-ke bafethu, badlala kahle kakhulu, they are able to connect. Makabamba ibhola uyakwazi ukulireleasa, uShabalala ube ne-moment yakhe bamphasa ibhola. Lento ayenza njalo-ke this season, it's been a trend lento ayenzayo, uyalibamba ibhola, take someone on close to i-bar line, ufuna ukushutha ku-tight angle, libe ngaphandle ibhola, waste. But khona la kuzovela nama-results we-Stellenbosch kwenye igame engizoyithinta kancane, ulo ubani Shiofazo Mabasa bazomveza lapha korigoli lokuqala, but deflection, but beli-on target straight from yena, aqeda ukufikela sekayakora. But yeah, good game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. They have to try and go for more second half, maybe bathole a goal or 2, sibone ukuthi abafowethu laphana bazophelela. But yeah, asibukeleni i-second half, sibone ukuthi izodlala kanjani i-team. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, isaqhubeka i-video.